Hello guys, welcome back to Rishi's Multicode Quest. You might be wondering why I am publishing a video after an entire month. Let me explain. First, let me share why I wasn't active. I didn't publish any video last month because I was working on various things, from expanding my vocabulary to studying English grammar and improving my accent. I have been honing my language skills. You can see how much my English has improved now. Another reason for absence is that I have been upgrading my coding skills. I have learned GUI programming to create desktop apps. On top of that, I have mastered Python package creation and developed a package called Morse Lab. It's available on both GitHub and PyPI. Now let's see how to use this package. First, installing it from GitHub. Let's copy the command and install it. After installation, we will test the program. As you can see, the program ran successfully. However, since the command prompt doesn't support Japanese character, you will need to copy the output and paste it into text editor for the complete result. Next, testing PyPI version. Let's install PyPI version and run the demo code. As you can see, the program runs successfully and the code is correct. One quick note, this program is specially designed for Morse code. I am thinking of removing the Japanese to English character conversions. What do you think? Should I keep it or remove it? Let me know your thoughts in comment below. Until then, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video.